Hi, this is Mahesh Thapa from Seattle Children's, and this is a short video on how to convert your Keynote presentation into a video to be uploaded to YouTube or wherever else you may want to do it. I'm going to create a separate video later on to show how to make a video with your PowerPoint presentation, but now let's concentrate on Keynote. So here is a sample presentation of just 4 slides, and let's work on this. It's very easy. All you have to do is go up to Play, Record Slideshow. At this point, when you make your recording, you're given this very convenient presentation view. This is not what's actually being recorded. What's being recorded is a slideshow itself, and I'll show you what I mean. So all you have to do is make sure your microphone level is up, as you see over here. It's in the yellow or the orange, and then hit the record button. So I'm going to start this right now. It gives you the prompt. Please bring the slideshow to the SPR presentation session. You will be using it to make a sample recording. It's just a sample 2-slide presentation, but the concept may be applied to a presentation of any length. Supine view of the abdomen demonstrates a soft tissue density in the left upper quadrant in the region of the transverse colon. This is highly suspicious for an ileocolic intussusception. Here's some facts about intussusception. It's telescoping of a segment of bowel into an adjacent segment. The great majority of it is ileocolic, and only about 5% of cases do we have a pathologic lead point. Lymphoid hyperplasia is the cause in the vast majority of the remaining 95%. So once the slideshow is ended, once you're done, just hit the record button again, and that stops the recording, at which point you can exit out. Okay? At this point, you can say File, Export to, QuickTime. And it tells you what format do you want to export it to. Do you want it 720p, 1080p, custom size? The higher the resolution, the better. And since we'll be storing it in YouTube, which doesn't really have a limit per se, I try to record it at a slightly higher value, so 1080p is pretty good. And on the playback, you can say self-playing or slideshow recording. I'm going to say slideshow recording, but again, you could try self-playing and see how that works for you. I'm going to say QuickTime, and then go next. And then I'm going to save it on my desktop just for the sake of convenience. Practice presentation, export. And depending on how long your presentation is, it may take a little while to actually create the movie. So once it's done, we can check back on the desktop and see how it looks. So it's done now, so I'm going to navigate to my desktop by going to the Finder menu and going to my desktop, and it says right here, Practice Presentation. Let's click on that, and let's play it. Hi, this is Mahesh Thapa from Seattle Children's, and I'm creating this short 4-slide presentation to give you an idea of how to make Let's fast forward a little bit. Supine view of the abdomen demonstrates a soft tissue density in the left upper quadrant in the region of the transverse colon. Okay, so you get an idea of how easy it is to make a video presentation from your slideshow presentation in Keynote. Thank you very much.